Hello everyone, I'm Juyi from Juyi. Welcome to our factory. Today I'm going to introduce you with our newly updated machine. This one. This is our vacuum ingot casting machine, which is also called gold bar making machine. This machine can make 2 pieces of ingot each time, and the maximum temperature of this machine is 1600 degrees centigrade. With this machine, we can make gold bars like this, the gold bar and silver bar and copper bar, with the mirror effect surfaces. And one of the advantages of our machine is that this machine will have zero loss of your materials. Why we can reach this? That was because the whole process, including the melting, casting, and cooling process, are also in the vacuum environment.